guys, welcome to the bike check portion of this video. We're in Dumbo right now, and I'm going to show you guys the bike that I ride every day. If you're new to the channel, this is it, the Bridgestone Anchor. Fixed gear, no brakes, and if you've been to the channel, I just want to show you some upgraded parts. So I'll start down here with my drivetrain, which I recently replaced. I have the Sagino 75 crankset on there now, as well as the new chainring, the new orange chainring, which apparently are really hard to get. So as soon as I got the chance to get one, I jumped on it. This is a 49 tooth. And then moving on to my chain, I have the Zumi Super Toughness chain on there. And then on the back, I have a Euro cog with a 17 tooth on it. So I'm riding 49-17 for those of you that have asked me in the past. This is my current ratio, and I think it'll be my ratio from now on for a long time. Also switched my pedals. If you guys don't know, some of you do. I am currently riding the Shimano XTR, I believe. Let's see. Yep, Shimano XTR pedals, clipless. So yeah, this is pretty much the new drivetrain here. I absolutely love it. Super smooth, feels great. Going from a 48-17 to a 49-17 didn't honestly feel that much of a difference. I feel like had I gone from the 46-17 that I was riding a long time ago to a 49, I might have felt it more, but from 48 to 49 didn't really make a difference. But I love how it looks. I love that I have some of the highest quality parts on here. So yeah, investing in, in the long run, pretty much. Moving up, the saddle is still the same. It's a brand named Coda. Honestly, it's nothing special. It's comfortable for me, so that's good enough for me right now. So yeah, this is still the same stem, which is the Origin 8. This is why I stick with it and love it, because it has the 2 bolt system on the bottom. And then the new handlebars are the Nitto's B809. I believe they're 64 across. That's the width on them. I didn't cut them. It's just exactly how they came. And I have the Yoshida Champ grips. I believe the 2mm, if I'm not mistaken. I don't like too much cushion on my grips, but so these tend to work really well for me. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I have Continental's gator skins. I ride 25s in the city. I find it pretty good. I've heard 25s or 28s are usually the best ones. In my case, I have 25s. But yeah, this is it. This is pretty much it. There's the new setup on the bike. And yeah, now you guys know what I'm riding. The frame is 51.5, I believe. I'm around 5'8", so this actually fits me pretty well. But yeah, that's what I have going on, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I am selling my old drivetrain. The cranks are the Sagino RD2s with a 48 tooth Sagino Messenger chainring and a Sagino bottom bracket for a 103. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. I can always send you pictures. I'll put my Instagram somewhere on the screen on the bottom, so you guys can follow me there. And then if you have any questions, want to see pictures on those things that I'm selling, feel free to shoot me a DM, or if you want to just say hi, shoot me a DM. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.